Welcome to our video on building a mobile app for real-time crowdsourced weather reporting. Let's explore some valuable resources to get you started. First, check out The Weather Book by Michael P. Dettman. It dives into the science behind weather patterns essential for accurate weather reporting. Next, Crowdsourcing for Disaster Response and Recovery, edited by Mina K. Bardwaj. This book highlights how crowdsourcing can aid in disaster response, a key feature for your app. For a deeper understanding of climate change, The Weather of the Future by Katharine Hayhoe is a must-read. It emphasizes the importance of community preparedness. Podcasts like The Weather Podcast by The Weather Channel offer insights into weather forecasting and climate change, perfect for keeping your app up to date. YouTube videos such as The Future of Weather Forecasting by TED Ed explore technological advancements in weather forecasting, crucial for your app's development. AI tools like OpenSnow and WeatherSignal provide platforms for crowdsourced weather reporting and analysis, enhancing your app's functionality. Finally, courses like Weather Forecasting and Prediction by EDX offer in-depth knowledge on weather forecasting, helping you build a robust weather reporting app.